Yeah, I see improvements in the arising vertical and horizontal integration into modern algorithms and innovative control approaches. And this leads, in my opinion, to autonomous systems and flexible automation solution as a key to get more resilient as of today. And the major challenge, in my opinion, is smart and sovereign data management that allows to share production data between vendors, between suppliers, partners equally, to ensure a flexible and location-independent production.